Despite the fact that Apple ID unites different services like App Store, music, fitness, and many others, still you can face different issues when you need to log out from your Apple ID account on iPhone or iPad. But to complete this, you need to use your password, and sometimes we can accidentally forget it. Well, don't fret, as today in this review we're gonna share with you these useful tips which will help you to log out of iCloud or Apple ID without a password. Let's get started! For the first tip, you will need to use default combinations of buttons in order to put your iDevice into recovery mode. For that, simply follow these guidelines. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Next, press and hold power button until you see the recovery mode screen on your iPhone or iPad. Then connect the device to PC or Mac computer. Launch iTunes on Windows or Finder utility on macOS and click on Restore feature. Finally, when the most recent version of iOS will be downloaded and installed, complete the setup of the device without Apple ID account. For the second method, you will need to open settings of an iPhone or iPad, tap on your name and then choose Password and Security section. In this menu, choose Change Password option and enter your iPhone passcode. Then you can enter and confirm your new password of your Apple ID. Afterwards, you can simply log out of the Apple ID by entering the new passcode. So it's just as simple as that. Last but not least, for the third option that seems to me far more effective in comparison with the previous ones, you will need to run any unlock utility on your PC or Mac, which could be downloaded right from the link that is given in the description down below. Then connect your device to your computer via USB or Type-C cable and launch the application. Select Unlock Apple ID feature and proceed with Unlock button to remove Apple ID from the device. Then wait patiently till the process will be completed, and here you go. Hope that all the tips that we've shared with you would be rather useful. Don't forget to download and install any unlock utility on your computer via the link in the description, and also subscribe to our channel, like this review and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Peace.